How to update Zooba application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Are you playing Zooba and want to make sure you're using the latest version? If yes, go ahead and open up Google Play Store on your Android device or your App Store on your iOS device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once you launch it open, go ahead and search for Zooba in the search bar. Once you search for Zooba application, look for this page over here and check if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately to download the latest version of Zooba on your device. If you see the play button, that means the application is already running the latest version. Simply tap on the play button to play open the Zooba application, or after the update is done, tap on the play button to launch the Zooba app open. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.